Alright, today we're going to dissect a Marie Callendar chicken pot pie. So we're going to see what goes on inside. Just removing all the dough from the top right now. All right. There we go. So now we got the dough off the top of the chicken pot pie. And let's dump it out here. Right, that's about it. Looks like there's maybe about 5 or 6 mushy peas. Across the pond they call them mushy peas. This side of the pond we're going to call them mushy peas too. So let's see here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 little pieces of carrot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 14 more peas. Ten squares of chicken parts, pieces, and a lot of dough. There you have it. That's what it looks like on the inside of a Marie Callendar chicken pot pie, and this is what you're paying for.